If you're a fan of the BMW 3 Series, the 2025 BMW M3 will thrill you. It's a high-performance machine with a rich legacy. The M3's twin-turbo inline-six engine delivers up to 523 horsepower, achieving a blistering 2.8 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour time. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard, while an 8-speed automatic is available with all-wheel drive. For 2025, the M3 introduces BMW's iDrive 8.5 infotainment interface, featuring an optional head-up display with augmented reality navigation. The M3 competition xDrive now boasts 523 horsepower, and updated headlamps and wheel designs refresh its look. Starting at $77,175, the M3 offers various trims and options. The manual transmission provides a satisfying drive, while the xDrive Professional package adds a drift analyzer and lap timer for enthusiasts. Inside, the M3 shares its design with the 3 Series, but adds sporty touches like carbon fiber accents. The infotainment system features a curved touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Standard safety features include blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist. BMW offers a 4-year 50,000 mile warranty with complimentary maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles.